phone call that the Assam police continue to patrol our Khasi villages, which has caused great inconveniences and insecurity to the general public. Therefore, sir, I once again request our Honorable Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police to kindly speed up this matter and make sure that safety and security to our people, especially to our four people, as mentioned above, are redressed at the earliest. Mr. Speaker, sir, coming to developmental works, I feel very sad. I feel very sad to say that many developmental works, like school buildings, community hall, Anganwadi center, footbridge, etc., has been forcefully stopped by the Forest Department, by Assam Police, and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which has become a roadblock to the developmental works meant for the areas falling under and which is contradictory to the talk between the two states. Mr. Speaker, sir, unfortunately, whenever our state tried to carry out developmental works in the area, the Assam government has always stopped the works. But whenever the state of Assam carry out any developmental works in the area, our state has never blocked or stopped such works. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, as a local representative, I humbly request our Honorable Chief Minister to kindly intervene this matter at the earliest, and also to make sure that all developmental works coming from our state, as well from the central, will be implemented smoothly for the benefit of our beloved people who stay in this area. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, sir, one problem that our people face in this area from time to time, that is tax collection for broomstick made by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, collected by the poor Jharu Mahal under Jakini range, West Karbi Anglong. This is a big problem that our people face in this area, sir. I have with me the vehicle charge for the Bolero pickup, 2,000 kg of broomstick. They will charge 15,000. For the Bolero 4x4, 1,800 kg, they will charge 13,500. For the LP truck, 12,000 kg, they will charge 90,000, sir. And for the 909 truck, 9,000 kgs, they will charge 67,500, sir. By collecting tax collection from our farmers in this area, sir, I know that it will be affected to our poor farmer in this area. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is my second time to inform this august house about the problem of our farmer in this area. Tax collection for broomstick by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again request our leader of the House, our Honorable Chief Minister, to kindly take this matter seriously and make sure that we can stop the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the tax collection of broomstick in this area. Mr. Speaker, sir, once again, I request our Chief Minister and his cabinet to kindly speed up this matter. We all know that now is the season of broomsticks, so that our people will not suffer. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to discuss about the problem faced by our people in the border area. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center